bajillions of stories of mischief and fun. But to keep things simple, let's start with just one. About a mom and two kids and a house and a hat that, oddly enough, was worn by a cat. But soon enough, we'll get to all that. In the valley that stretches from this hill to that hill, a city is nestled. That city is Anvil.
Any more tutti frutti? I'll try, thanks.
It's a town that's not huge, but quite big enough for buyers and sellers to sell and buy stuff. From shoes and shirts and elongated bladders to sailboats and gibble-grated berry juice bladders. So our story begins at the corner of Main and Monterey in the spotless real estate office run by Hank Humberflube.
Humberflube Real Estate, how can we make your dreams come true?
Absolutely. All Humberflube properties are each cupcake.
What do you mean you're leaving? You're a babysitter. Babysitters don't leave, they sit. Baby leavers leave.
Sorry, I really gotta go, Miss Walker.
Well, I need to come home right away. All right, thank you, Amy.
Attention everyone! It's 9:02! Staff meeting! Staff meeting! Live everyone! First, I'd like to welcome aboard our newest member of the Humberflube family, Jim McFlinigan!
Mr. Humberflube, I wanted to thank you.
Fired.
I beg your pardon?
Fired.
But I...
As you know, tonight is our bi-monthly meet and greet party. Tonight's host is Joan Walden. This is where people can meet our real estate agents in an informal, yet hygienic setting.
Mr. Humberflube, I have to get home to my kids.
Ah, yes. Your children. Joan, let me make this perfectly clear. If your house is as messy as last time, you're fired!
That's pretty clear, Mr. Humberflube. Don't worry, I promise. My kids will be on their best behavior. Great. Humberflube Real Estate, how can we make your dreams come true? Please hold.
If you leave Humberflube's and turn left onto Main, 3 miles down you'll find Liplapper Lane. A pleasant enough street in a pleasant enough way, where a neighbor greeted neighbor with a neighborly hey.
Hey.
Here the hedges were hedged, the weeds were all weeded, and lawns were mowed daily, twice daily if needed. And at the end of this street, in a house like any other, something magical would happen to a sister and her brother.
Shh, Nevin, stealth mode.
Today's to-do list. Number 1, make to-do list. Number 2, practice coloring. Number 3, research graduate schools. Number 4, be spontaneous. Number 5, create lasting childhood memories. And number 6, abandoned will.